Divorce. It's a word that sends shivers down your spine, right? The mere mention of it can evoke a sense of dread and anxiety. It's a life-altering event that no one ever plans for when they say, "I do." Nobody enters a marriage thinking about the D word. On your wedding day, you're filled with hope, love, and dreams for the future. You envision a lifetime of happiness and partnership. But the reality is, divorce rates are high. Statistics show that nearly half of all marriages end in divorce. It's a sobering fact that many couples face. And when a marriage ends, it's not just an emotional roller coaster, it's a financial earthquake. The emotional toll is immense, but the financial impact can be just as devastating. You see, money and marriage are intertwined. From the moment you start building a life together, finances play a crucial role. You share expenses, make joint investments, and plan for the future. You build a life together, buy a house, maybe have kids. All of this involves finances. Every major decision you make as a couple has a financial component, whether it's purchasing a home, saving for your children's education, or planning for retirement. But when that partnership dissolves, you need to untangle those finances and start over. This process can be incredibly complex and emotionally draining. This is where things get messy. The division of assets, debts, and financial responsibilities can lead to confusion and conflict. The truth is, many people are caught off guard by the financial implications of divorce. They may not have anticipated the full extent of the financial upheaval that comes with ending a marriage. They're unprepared for the costs, the division of assets, and the sudden change in lifestyle. The financial strain can be overwhelming, especially if one partner was primarily responsible for managing the household finances. This lack of preparation can lead to financial turmoil and long-term consequences. Without a clear understanding of their financial situation, individuals may find themselves struggling to make ends meet. That's why we're here to talk about it. Addressing the financial aspects of divorce is crucial for ensuring a stable future. By gaining knowledge and seeking professional advice, you can better navigate this challenging time. Knowledge is power, and understanding the financial side of divorce can equip you to navigate this challenging time with more confidence and security. With the right information and support, you can rebuild your financial foundation and move forward with hope and resilience.
First things first, let's talk lawyers. Divorce isn't cheap. It's one of those life events that can really hit your wallet hard. Hiring an attorney is a must, but those hourly fees add up fast. You might be looking at hundreds of dollars per hour, and that can quickly escalate into thousands. Don't be afraid to ask about their rates up front. Transparency is key. Make sure you understand what you're getting into financially before you sign any agreements. Then there are court costs, filing fees, and maybe even the need for expert witnesses like appraisers or accountants. These professionals can provide crucial information, but they come at a price. These expenses can drain your savings if you're not careful. It's important to budget for these costs and plan ahead to avoid financial strain. Remember, the longer the divorce drags on, the more expensive it becomes. Time is money, and in the case of divorce, this couldn't be more true. Try to keep things amicable if possible. Mediation can be a cost-effective alternative to a lengthy court battle. It allows both parties to come to an agreement without the high costs associated with litigation. A collaborative approach can save you money and heartache in the long run. Working together to reach a fair settlement can reduce stress and financial burden, making the process smoother for everyone involved.
Now, let's talk about your stuff. Over the years, you've accumulated various assets as a couple: a house, cars, savings, maybe even investments. These are the tangible results of your shared life and efforts. Dividing these assets fairly is crucial. It's not just about who gets what, but ensuring that both parties can move forward with financial stability. In a community property state, assets acquired during the marriage are split 50-50. This means everything from your home to your savings account is divided equally. But in other states, the division is based on what's considered equitable, which means fair but not necessarily equal. Factors like each spouse's financial situation and contributions to the marriage are considered. This is where things get tricky. Emotions run high, and it's easy to get caught up in the who gets what battle. Disputes over assets can become a significant source of stress and conflict. Seeking mediation or legal advice can help navigate these turbulent waters. A mediator can assist in reaching a mutually agreeable settlement, while legal advice ensures your rights are protected. But remember, it's just staff. Focus on securing your financial future, not holding on to material possessions out of spite. Letting go of material things can be liberating and pave the way for a fresh start. Think about the long term. Rebuilding your life post-divorce is an opportunity for new beginnings and achieving financial independence. Prioritize what truly matters and let go of the rest.
If you have children, their well-being is paramount. Child support is determined based on factors like both parents' incomes and the children's needs. This ensures the kids are financially supported, regardless of who they live with. Alimony, or spousal support, is a bit different. It's meant to help a lower-earning spouse get back on their feet financially after divorce. The duration and amount of alimony vary, depending on factors like the length of the marriage and the earning potential of both spouses.
Retirement might seem far off, but it's crucial to consider its impact. If you're dividing retirement accounts, ensure it's done properly with a qualified domestic relations order, or QDRO. Review your retirement plan and make adjustments based on your new financial situation. You may need to delay retirement or increase your contributions to reach your goals. Don't forget about insurance. Review your health insurance coverage, especially if you were previously covered under your spouse's plan. Update your life insurance beneficiaries, and consider purchasing additional coverage to protect your children's financial future.
Communication is key during and after divorce, especially regarding finances. Be open and honest with your ex-spouse about your financial situation. If you have children, work together to create a budget that meets their needs. Remember, you're both responsible for their well-being, even if you're no longer married.
Navigating the financial complexities of divorce can feel overwhelming. Don't be afraid to seek professional help from a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you create a budget, manage debt, plan for retirement, and make informed decisions about your financial future. They can provide objective advice and support during this challenging time. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the financial implications of divorce and taking proactive steps to protect yourself, you can navigate this storm and emerge stronger on the other side.